In this question, we have to eliminate this theta between x is equal to a sin theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So, what do you mean by elimination of theta? Elimination of theta between these two variables, that is x and y, is to find a relationship between x and y such that it is independent of this theta. So let us start with this x is equal to a sin theta. We have x is equal to a sin theta. So we can write it as x over a is equal to sin theta, and a over x is equal to 1 over sin theta. So we have taken reciprocal of this expression, so we also take reciprocal of this sin theta. Reciprocal of sin theta, you know that reciprocal of sin theta, that is 1 over sin theta, is equal to cosec theta. So let us start with this. B is equal to tan theta. You can write it as y over b is equal to tan theta, and b over y is equal to 1 over tan theta. We are taking reciprocal of this expression and this expression. So y over b is b over y when taken reciprocal, and reciprocal of tan theta is equal to cot theta. So we have b over y is equal to cot theta. Now, do you find any direct relationship between this cosec theta and cot theta? So you know the identity that cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. Let us substitute the values of cosec theta and cot theta respectively. So we have cosec theta is equal to a over x. So let us substitute a over x for cosec theta, and it is a squared, so take a square. And we have cot theta is equal to b by y. So let us substitute b over y for cot theta and square it. On solving, you get e square over x square minus b square over y square is equal to 1. And this is the relationship between this x square and y square, which is independent of this angle theta. Similarly, you can eliminate any parameter like theta. It may be anything between 2 or 3 or more equations, for more variables.